Hey y'all, I missed you today. We have problem of the day number 20. Ignore the sound of water. Jordan is at the pool and really enjoying himself. Presley is still watching egg videos. Say hi, Press.
Hi.
And we have a fire. So totally ignore those sounds and let's focus on your math. Our first problem is the decimal expansion of 4/7. So I hope that every one of you knew you had to divide this and that the 7 goes on the outside because it is the denominator. Very good. So I have 7 on the outside. I have 4 on the inside. 7 does not go into 4. So I'm going to add a decimal and a 0. 7 goes how many times into 40? Good. 5 is 35. Subtract and I get 5. Add a 0. 7 goes 7 times into 50 is 49. Subtract and I get 1. Add a 0. 7 goes 1 time into 10. 7 goes 4 times into 30 is 28. Now I'm out of room, so you can do 4 or 5 digits. It's totally up to you. But to show my answer, I've got 0.5714, and then I've got dot, dot, dot to show whoever's looking at this that it's not finished. It just goes on. Number 2 is a problem with decimals. What's the first thing that you should have asked yourself? I hope you said, do I need to keep change? And the answer is no, because it is addition. Then I check my signs. Ben McPeak, what do you think about your signs? Very good. They are different, so we are going to subtract. Now, since this is not true subtraction, I'm going to put the 16 first because it's the bigger number. I'm going to borrow from my 3 to add to my 2. 12 minus 3 is 9. 2 minus 2 is 0. 6 minus 4 is 2. Bring down my 1. Now the big question is my answer positive or negative? It is positive because the 16 is the bigger number and it's positive. So 12.09 is final. Okay, last problem, number 3. First question always, do I need to keep change? And on this one, I do. If you don't recognize that both of these are negative already, I'm going to change subtraction to addition and change the sign after. Now, since these are both negative, I'm going to add them together. And what do I have to have before I add? Common denominators. Very good. I'm going to go ahead and add my whole numbers. Negative 3 plus negative 1 is negative 4. 5 over 6 plus 2 over 3. My common denominator is going to be 6. So I'm going to multiply this problem over here by 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 3 times 2 is 6. 5 plus 4 is 9 over 6, which is 1. And 3 over 6, which is 1 1/2. My final step is to take what I got when I added my fractions down here, 1 1/2, to my whole number up here, negative 4. So if I'm going to add 1, it's going to go to negative 5, and then my half remains. So that's my final answer. Negative 5 1/2. All right, I miss you all. Be good for your sub. I will see you Monday.